Hi, I'm Andrea Bomarito with ZSK Machines, and I'd like to talk to you about the presser foot height adjustment that you can do on the ZSK embroidery machine. Actually, this is configured on all equipment made by ZSK, from a small sprint machine to the larger multi-head equipment. What we have here is our presser foot and needle is down, and I'd like to show you how we can adjust this presser foot height and why we would want to adjust it. First of all, presser foot height can be adjusted to improve the quality of your embroidery, especially when you're moving between different fabrics, conventional material to very thick material. And when you have very thick material, you typically want your presser foot to be raised a little bit so that you're not pounding into that fabric. On the left-hand side of the machine, beside needle 12, kind of behind the head, we do have a handle here that we can move, and it will actually move the position of the presser foot height. Right now, our presser foot height is at the bottom, and we are on position 1. The distance between the needle plate and the presser foot is 0.7 millimeters. And as we move the knob to the different height, I'll just go ahead and push it forward once. It actually raises that presser foot height, and not only does it do it for this needle, but all the way across the board here. So needles 12 through 1 will all have the same presser foot height. And as we moved it up, this actually moved the distance from 0.7 to 1.1. So position 1 is good for conventional type fabrics, you know, your typical polos and just a lot of the things that we are typically doing. Position 2 and 3 can be good for caps. You know, you've got your thicker caps and you also have your thinner caps. Position 3, if I go ahead over here and I move it forward one more notch, it actually takes it up from 1.1 to 1.7. And again, you can see that presser foot height adjust up. The last one, if I go ahead and take that and bring that forward one more time, that's position 4, that's our final position. That takes it from 1.7 to 2.7 as far as the height goes. So this would be something good for car mats, for shoes, and very thick materials. So this is very helpful when embroidering on different garments that, again, this can actually affect the quality of your design quite a bit. The other thing I'd like to tell you is that when moving this, we don't have to have that needle down or the presser foot down. We can simply do it while the machine is stopped. You certainly don't want to try to change it while it's embroidering, as that can damage the machine. So you can stop the machine and then reach back here and move that knob to the desired location.